All right, Rob Frazier here. This video, I want to talk about basically a super simple method that I use to basically prospect people on social media. And this Scripps book, Max Steingard's Social Networking Scripps book, he also has a training, and it's not just a training. It's basically, he's considered the father of social networking. All these make money on social media without paid ads, people all stem from stuff that this guy teaches. So, and I just wanted to do this short video, talk about basically how I work this particular method myself. If you follow me, you know there's three ways of building a business online: clicks, paid traffic, content, videos, social media posts, things like that. Lastly, connections. The purpose of clicks and content is to build connections, people who buy your stuff basically. So right here is basically scripts to talk to any and everybody to see if they are open to hearing about your opportunity. Network marketing, affiliate marketing, doesn't matter. If you're dealing with other people in network affiliate marketing, people who are more successful than you, people who have teams, sales agents, unemployed, unhappy affiliate network marketers, virtual assistants, basically anyone you can think of, this guy has scripts for. And it's after you see like one or two of these scripts, or actually maybe like 5 or 10, you'll start to see the pattern, and you'll just be able to work your magic with it. So what I do is I'm on social media. I make connections. You know, we could talk about that in another video, whatever. It's really not that hard. And then once you make that connection, it's simply a matter of asking them a few questions, like having a little bit of small talk to find out where that person is and if they're open. And it is really that simple. And he has everything from the open to the close. So from getting to the question of if I could show you a way, all the way to the point of them signing up in your business. And it's simply a matter of running enough people through these scripts. A lot of people know me as the guy saying keep slamming traffic. Well, this is a part of that. Continuously talking to new people. I mean, it's really not that hard. And so whenever I talk to somebody, say, what do you do? Oh, I'm unemployed. So I'll come down here, I'll click on the unemployed. It'll take me right down to the questions, and I'll just go down the line. Basically, I'll take the questions and put them into my own voice, like how I would actually ask that question, and just go down the line. And if I talk to somebody, they're in network marketing and they're successful, well, I'll come down here to, where is it? Recruiting the recruiter, and I'll just go down the line. If I find someone who is basically a headhunter, a recruiter, I'll go over here, click on that, go down the line. If somebody's in the military or internet marketer or network marketer, I'll just go click on that tab and run them through the questions. And it's just that simple. This product you get with our high ticket affiliate marketing system. This right here is the second. It's a bonus of the second income stream. And here, dog squeaking in the background, so I'm a little distracted there. But basically, this script you get as a bonus on the second income stream in our high ticket affiliate marketing system. And it will teach you how to talk to any and everybody, and it's just a very simple way of building your business online. So if that interests you, the link for this whole system will be in the description of this video. Name's Rob Frazier. We'll see you in the next one. And this is all I do on a daily basis. I put this whole thing in front of my network marketing opportunity, and I get big upfront commissions, as well as people who are more serious and stick around longer in my MLM. So if that interests you, you're looking for a mentor, you want someone to show you the way, give you a daily method of operation, you'll be talking to people all day long about your business. Information is in the description. Name's Rob Frazier. We'll see you in the next one.